Robin is filming very closely, it feels like. So we're on tour again, and we are heading to a house on Birch Street, and then we're gonna go check out a condo in Cranberry Surf, and then we're gonna go to Jozo Wider condo there as well. So here we go. How's the market today? Okay, Cranberry Surf. What did you think? Beautiful views.
Honestly, I think it's gonna be a tough sell. I love the view.
Yeah.
But you also have the pool, the community pool for the development right there. Like,
yeah. Which would be a great rental.
Yeah, but you can't do rentals here.
No rentals at all?
Well, you can do seasonal rental, like rent your whole summer.
Like a summer. We need a teacher. You need a teacher with kids that would want to rent it out. Like,
yeah, but you're not going to make anywhere near enough money to cover some decent expenses.
This is true.
When you're spending almost $1 million to buy.
Well, maybe if you're retiring and you like people, that's a great way to meet people.
Maybe if you like watching people swim.
Yeah. It's
a great spot to watch people swim.
Yeah. Someone may ask you to come to a party.
And the views are spectacular. They really are.
Like beautiful.
But lots of stairs too.
Yes.
Anyhow, for someone, not me.